A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiated discussion on Vande Mataram in the Lok Sabha, the lower house on Tuesday opened a two-day debate on election reforms following persistent demands from the opposition for a special discussion on Special Intensive Revision, SIR in short, of electoral rules. The opposition has been seeking this debate since the monsoon session, but the centre maintained that Election Commission is an independent constitutional body and proposed a broader discussion on electoral reforms instead. Initiating the debate, Congress MP Manish Tiwari questioned the legal basis of SIR exercise, arguing that the Constitution does not explicitly provide for special intensive revision and that Election Commission has offered no justification for conducting SIR across several states. Calling for deeper reforms, he suggested that VVPATs be counted in full or that India return to paper ballots and further proposed including the leader of opposition, Sabha, and Chief Justice of India in the committee responsible for selecting election commissioners. Congress is expected to field a strong lineup, including Rahul Gandhi, KC Venugopal, Varsha Gaikwad, Mohammad Javed, Ujjwal Rahman Singh, and others. Countering the opposition, BJP MP Sanjay Jaiswal accused rival parties of raising the SIR issue to divert attention from their heavy losses in the recently concluded Bihar elections. He alleged that electoral malpractice traces back to Congress history, referring to 1947 leadership decisions, the 1975 emergency, and the 1987 Kashmir elections as examples of vote chori. Meanwhile, in the upper house, the Rajya Sabha began its discussion marking the 150th anniversary of the national song Vande Mataram. On Monday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi underscored its historic role in inspiring unity and resistance during British rule.